Hello everyone and welcome to another super important episode of Ushanka Show. Today we got this in mail. You may guess already what's inside. 100,000 silver button. So we're gonna do the opening and see what's inside. Super excited. It took only 9 years and 900 videos that we're here. So if you are trying to do YouTube, I could be a good example that persistence works. So this is how it comes in the black box. And we got a letter. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to be part of recognizing your achievement. And a letter from YouTube. And it says, do you remember your first subscriber? Unfortunately not. Or your 100s or your 1000s. Chances you do. And we know that you will definitely remember your 100th subscriber. That's one thing I didn't catch the person who became 100,000, but I was there. I actually filmed how the channel turned from 99,999 to 100,000. So it's signed by Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. So keep on creating, keep building. And when you reach your 1 million subscriber, yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to happen. We're just going to write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? So yeah, nice letter from YouTube. Hey, here it is. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty. So this is 100,000 subscribers for Ushanka Show. Thank you so much everyone who support my work, for your likes, for your subscriptions. Took a while. Looks neat. So yeah, only 9 years and 950 videos, here we are. So I cannot do what I promised to do today, but when I have my day off, we will have this bottle of vodka open. It was purchased back in 1982. I still remember that day. Me and my dad stopped at the store, and at that time, 1982, Kiev celebrated 1,500 years since being founded. So they made a special bottle and supposedly special vodka called Древняя Киевская. So it's like ancient Kiev vodka. So since 1982, I had that bottle, and I begged my dad, because of course he bought to consume it, but I asked him, can you please keep this bottle for me when I get married? We'll open on my wedding day. Unfortunately, the way things worked out, the wedding happened in Michigan. My family was, and the bottle wasn't still in Ukraine. So this bottle will never open. There's still a little handwriting of me. I wrote here 1982. So this is the bottle we're going to open to celebrate this achievement on the Ushanka Show. But I said, unfortunately, I cannot drink today. I'm working, so that will happen a little bit later. So anyway, thank you so much for all your subscriptions, your likes, participation with my channel. Will be more videos, and I don't know if we're ever going to reach to 100 million. It'll be nice, but it's still awesome. So thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you soon. До свидания, до побачення, goodbye.